Greetings! Microsoft Windows provides a free built-in tool for removing malware. Open the Run window. Type the MRT in the text box and press OK. This command will open the built-in Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool wizard. To start scanning, click Next. Select the type of scan. Click Next. The tool will scan your computer and generate a report detailing detected and removed malware. On the scan results page, click the View Detailed Results of the Scan link. A list of detected malware and scan results will be displayed. Click Finish to close the tool.